Associates of Titan Company, welcome to the second edition of Gold Standard Season 2024. Today I am in Calcutta and my guest is Mrs. Monica Kejriwal, who is the franchisee of Titan World Garriahat. It is one of the oldest and one of the largest showrooms that this city has. Hello Monica, tell me about your journey in Titan.
Hi Shubhendu, thank you a lot for giving me the opportunity to be a part of Gold Standard program. My husband Ajay with my brother-in-law, they had set up this store way back in early 90s, and after that it kept moving, and in 2018 my husband, he passed away. I was compelled to take care of the store and my journey started from then.
So in the initial years, did you face any challenges?
As a woman, when I got into the business, I did face many challenges, and it was very difficult for me to convince my people and to win their confidence. I had to prove myself, I had to solve their problems to get their confidence and their trust in me, and slowly I got it.
How many staff do you have in all?
I have around 50 staff put
About
together.
50.
Yeah.
And who manages the day-to-day operations?
So we do have store managers in each and every store. I have a business manager, I can say, who looks into the daily operations of all the store.
I am Vikas Saraf, Business Manager for Royal Times and Arts Private Limited. For the smooth functioning of our stores, I make it a point to visit the stores on a regular basis, listen to the staff, let them come up with their problems, and I ensure in the guidance of Monica ji to solve their problems as soon as possible so that it makes them happy and retain them for a longer period of time. In fact, at our Garriahat store, which is one of the biggest and the oldest store in Eastern region, we have got 50% of our employees who have been working with us over a decade now.
আমার নাম অরুণ মণ্ডল, আমি সার্ভিস টেকনিশিয়ান। আমি 1996 জুন থেকে রয়্যাল টাইমসে টেকনিশিয়ানের কাজ করছি। আমার সার্ভিস সেন্টার ইস্টার্ন রিজনের মধ্যে ফার্স্ট পজিশনে ছিল, অল ওভার ইন্ডিয়ার মধ্যে সেকেন্ড পজিশনে আছে। আমরা আমাদের এখানকার সব স্টাফ একসঙ্গে একটা ফ্যামিলির মতো মিলেমিশে কাজ করি, এবং আমাদের যে ফ্র্যাঞ্চাইজি আছে উনিও আমাদের সমান চোখে এইভাবেই দেখেন যাতে আমরা সমানভাবে কাজ করতে পারি।
নমস্কার, আমার নাম দিলীপ নস্কর। আমি রয়্যাল টাইমসে 25 বছর ধরে কাজ করি। আমার চাকরি হাউসকিপারের। আমার দায়িত্ব স্টাফদের এবং কাস্টমারের উপরে যত্ন নেওয়া।
So could you tell us what are those one or two things that make you successful as an entrepreneur?
It is my family, my staff, my family at the store who makes me successful, and it is they who work that I become a successful woman and an entrepreneur.
What are some of the Titan values that you have imbibed in yourself in the running of your business?
Main is the ethics of Titan, the confidence, the trust in building with the staff, with the customers. Any miscommunication or wrong way of communication, that is not tolerated. And respect. Everyone has to give respect to each and every person. So that is one main thing that I look into it.
From what you have just said, how do you deal with your, you have multiple generations working under the same roof.
Yeah.
So how do you deal with multiple generations people?
I don't have to much deal with the newcomers. I mainly have to deal with the old ones because they are in the system. They are with me working for so many years. So I just give them the responsibility. Okay, these are the new ones. Now you need to take them along with you and work. The older ones, they take it as their responsibility. They join hands with the new ones. And even the new ones start getting trained automatically.
That's an opportunity to mentor the new.
Mentor the new one. And even the old ones get upgraded. So even they have confidence, okay, I need to train them and they are working under me. So automatically everything is put.
So the success of the newcomers define also the success of the more than your end.
Definitely.
My name is Amit Poddar. I have joined in 2017 as a cashier, and just 2 years back I have upgraded as a store manager in Royal Times and Arts Private Limited. I have loved my job because there is a full support in my team, and the management also.
আমি দীর্ঘ টাইটানের সঙ্গে জড়িত আছি 1996 থেকে। আমি এখানে দীর্ঘদিন এখানে টাইটানের সার্ভিস সেকশন দেখি এবং আমার এই ফ্যামিলির মতো আমাদের সবসময় যা প্রবলেম হয় সব সলভ করেন আমাদের ফ্র্যাঞ্চাইজি। আমি আরও দুটো শোরুম দেখি। এখানে আমাকে পুরনো দীর্ঘদিন সার্ভিসে যারা আসেন তারা আমাকে খোঁজেন এবং আমি তাদের সঙ্গে মিট করে তাদের কোনো প্রবলেম হলে সেগুলো সলভ করি। আমার এখন প্রেজেন্ট 71 এজ। আমি এখনও এখানে আরও 4-5 বছর কাজ করতে পারবো আশা রাখি।
My name is Akash Malik. I have joined Titan World and Faster Uttarpara as a store manager last 2 years back. My team and my franchisee has helped me to learn more about in watches in retail.
So, Monica, what are some of the foundational aspects of your people policy?
Some of the practices which we follow is the positive environment in the store. We take care of the people, the staff, because of which they get motivated. Like in case if it is a late night during festive times, so we try to escort them. We give them a cab facility. And someone or the other from our store, they escort them to the house. So because of that, they have a confidence that even if you're working late night, there is
You can
someone
reach
who
home
can-
safely.
You can reach home safely. And they are not neglected. There's someone who can look after us. So that motivation is there in them, and that care we ensure them.
So, you might be having some celebrations in the store and things like that.
Of course, we do have birthday celebrations, and where we celebrate the birthdays of each and every person, every staff working at our place. And each and every festival is celebrated, maybe Holi, maybe Diwali. Even we burst crackers during Diwali. I had received an award 2 years back. So we had a party for that, a celebration with all my staff. So it helps them to motivate and do better in future.
Do you also have some rewards and recognitions once in a while?
Not exactly as a reward and recognition, because I feel if one or two person gets rewarded, then the others, they get demotivated. So I don't exactly have as a reward and recognition, but I do have a lucky draw where each and every member gets something or the other, and it's a fun kind of environment.
So, you do a lot of engagement activities.
Engagement activities. We either have a game or last RED, Red Day program also we organized for a movie session here in the store. So we kept the store closed for 2 hours and gave the movie environment, and we played a movie for them with popcorns and chips and cold drinks. So they really sense nice. So I do have engagement programs.
Oh, this is the first time I'm hearing of a movie show in a retail store.
In a retail store.
Then
So, and they really liked it. And in fact, they're insisting me to have once again. So I said, okay.
so you can have it in the next retail price day.
Probably.
This is coming up on 12th of December.
Probably yes.
My name is Snigdha De. I'm joined Titan I Plus 2 years back. When I joined Belgharia store, it was doing 4.5 lakhs. Now we are doing 8 lakh per month. I'm proud to be a store manager of Belgharia store.
Hi, myself Kuntal Bosha. I've joined Titan I Plus 8 years back. I've joined as a eyewear consultant and now I am a store manager. There is 4 team members in my store. They are very precious to me. The most exciting part of my job that my team and my store achieves target month after month, and my franchisee is very approachable. I seek franchisee's help when it requires.
And being a woman entrepreneur, has it been difficult to balance your family life and your work life?
Yes, initially yes, because as I was a housewife, I used to give a lot of time to my children. But later, as I moved into the corporate world, I couldn't give that much of time to my children. So even they used to feel neglected. But slowly, even they learned how to cope up with this. Even I learned how to take out time from the corporate world and give them. So we've made a set of rules like having breakfast together in the morning, having dinner together in the evening, at night, and we go for long drives. So that again adds to the quality time with the children. And once in a week, we try, it's not possible every time, but we try to go out for a dinner or something. So these kind of quality time, try to take us from there.
Hey,
Hello.
I've been speaking to your mom. Does she inspire you?
A lot. A lot. She does. She's been my inspiration, like ever since I've seen her at home. She's always been working. She's been a housewife earlier, so she's been working at home. And then later on, then she started with the business. So I did feel a little left out, but then it grew on me. And then we realized that this is also important. So then I saw her struggle there as well, because the first few years were a little of a struggle for her because she was learning the ABCs of the business. But then later on, I saw it got a little easier, and then I understood that even how work is so important, even life is important. So then she started spending time with us. So that has actually been an inspiration to me. I've seen how she balances both her work and life. So I feel that she does equally for her life. She's also a social worker. So she's been associated with in a way, and she does her social work, and she takes care of the office, she takes care of us. We have a dog, so she's also a dog mom. So she juggles a lot of things together. So I think she is a great role of inspiration.
Do you feel that you will be able to support your mother in her business?
Support, yes. I think I do support her a lot, but I just hope that one day, someday, I'm a little bit like her.
So Monica, since 2018, you have been an integral part of this business. Now, what has been your journey post that in terms of expansion and foray into other divisions on Titan?
Yeah, I did expand my business. I initially had Garya Heart store and Sheethy Mode. I have a combo store with iPlus and Titan World. And I started a new one at Belgaria, which is a Titan iPlus. And probably after a year or 1.5 years, I started with another store at Uttarpara. That's again a combo store with Titan World and Fast Track.
So in 6 years, how many stores have you put up in all?
In all, we have 3 Titan World, 2 iPlus, and 1 Fast Track.
Oh, wow. So do you have any plans to move into the jewelry division?
Of course, why not?